Bitcoin money explicitly sort of has a medium-term opposition at $119.28, or so they sort of thought in a fundamentally significant manner in a significant way. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $237.13, or so they sort of basically thought in a significant manner. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, which generally is genuinely critical. The pretty very current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money in a real sense most certainly is at $199,608,580, kind of lovely in spite of mainstream thinking in a reasonably enormous manner, which is genuinely critical. 11 November 2023, in this video we will fundamentally in a real sense walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for actually 1 week from now and explicitly basically attempt to answer these habitually for the most part, truly got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is truly momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money. Sort of by and large is BCH an essentially wise interest in a sort of fundamentally huge manner in a kind of significant manner in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner in a for the most part commonly significant manner in a significant manner. However, prior to jumping actually commonly profound into the BCH specialized examination, especially let us explicitly for the most part discuss the kind of certainly current economic situations in a ridiculously huge manner in an unobtrusive way. Market examination over the kind of sort of last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, basically was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the quite whole digital currency market to $1,410,776,640,034 in an unobtrusive manner in a sort of significant manner in an unpretentious manner. The in every practical sense, genuinely complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $65,076,358,619 in an unobtrusive manner, exhibiting that 11 November 2023. In this video we will fundamentally in a real sense walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now, or for actually essentially 1 week from now, and explicitly fundamentally certainly attempt to answer these much of the time for the most part, generally got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What for the most part is truly lovely truly transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money, sort of is BCH, an extremely kind of wise interest in a sort of huge manner in an unpretentious manner, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 51.27% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a strength of 16.33% in an especially quite enormous manner, in an especially huge manner. Which in a real sense commonly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,014.19 level after a vertical development of 0.94%, which very is genuinely huge, which is very critical in an unpretentious way. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum by and large, most certainly has seen a value decline of 1.29%, coming to $2,062.29 during the past 24 hours, or so they for the most part thought, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $249.78, following a value change of 1.26% within a similar time period, which actually in a real sense sort of is genuinely critical in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, basically is up by 2.28 and right now exchanging at 67 cents, or so they sort of thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they for the most part really thought in an in every practical sense, sort of significant way. These occasions truly generally show that the market certainly generally is going in an especially actually certainly descending course, for commonly in every practical sense, present moment, genuinely sort of all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Right now, a decently very all plans and purposes general essentially lovely in every way that really matters, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, in an especially for the most part enormous manner. Bitcoin money backing and opposition backing and obstruction fundamentally basically generally are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly essentially recognize truly lovely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. So XRP, the by and large most certainly local coin of XRP, especially sort of is up by 2.28 and presently exchanging at 67 cents in an especially significant manner, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Support, especially for the most part, is a level at which purchasers truly become pretty a lot of substantially more certainly beautiful dynamic and in a real sense generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which fundamentally essentially is very critical. Similarly, obstruction, certainly in every practical sense, is a level at which vendors by and large truly become moves sort of truly dynamic and sort of explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving pretty sort of much kind of higher in a very sort of commonly huge manner, which basically is genuinely critical. Following essentially by and large especially are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The truly current Bitcoin money cost explicitly truly is $237.13, with an exchanging volume of $199,608,580 in the sort of truly beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how market examination over the sort of especially sort of last 24 hours. There certainly generally especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the pretty especially genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,410,776,640,034, which for the most part is very huge in a truly significant manner. At present, BCH extremely is somewhere near 1.01% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,637,296,030 United States dollars in an unobtrusive manner and an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money value examination BCH cost investigation for 11 November 2023, inside a very entirely day-to-day time span, basically sort of generally made sense of beneath in a really significant manner. We utilize pretty in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving extremely normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving vary all plans and purposes, especially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving, most certainly entirely normal, EMA, to basically fundamentally examine the future development of the Bitcoin money in an unpretentious manner, which in every practical sense is very critical as opposed to prevalent thinking. While BCH's Williams %R marker generally fundamentally is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange kind of lovely sign sort of by and large is somewhat conceivable at this reach, which in a real sense certainly is genuinely critical, showing how Bitcoin money explicitly generally has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28, or so they really thought. Which in every practical sense is genuinely huge in opposition to mainstream thinking. The sort of really relative strength list, RSI, demonstrates that the BCH coin in every practical sense fundamentally generally is in oversold stage, as RSI certainly generally is at 25, by and large genuinely in opposition to